Good day, everyone. We are from Group A. I am Nicola Nevasis.
I am Erica Bevane Pasinio.
I am Christine Pina Danza.
I am Zenji Patigas.
And for today, we will be talking about
Lesson 8.2, Education 4.0 in the school curriculum.
Introduction to IR 4.0 and Education 4.0. So IR 4.0 or Industrial Revolution 4.0. The fourth industrial revolution following the IR 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. So the next is IR 4.0 brings profound changes with new technologies, AI, IR, Internet of Things, robotics. So according to SPOG's definition, IR is driven by new technologies reshaping societies, and Education 4.0 a response to Industrial Revolution 4.0 aiming to adapt education for the future. Schools must evolve to stay relevant in this digital age. So nanaman ta sa digital age, mga digital native naman kita, so dapat ang school must evolve para mag-stay relevant because the trend of education is now educational technology. So education must focus on creativity, critical thinking, and adaptability. The future workforce needs human-centric skills that machines can replace. So the future workforce that can need siya og kanang skills yun sa human nga no machines can replace. Kay daghan ang karong mga machines nga na-evolve tungod sa science and technology. So dapat ang workforce kay human skills sa good na dili ma-replace sa any machine nga ma-evolve. The revolution of IR or Industrial Revolution. So IR 1.0, in this, introduction of the steam engine replacing human labor. So, ang bidding apart kay ang pinaagi sa pag-labor sa kuha na replace na siya into steam engines. And in the IR 2.0 or Industrial Revolution 2.0, it is mass production, electricity, and assemble lines. So in this revolution in industry, things are starting to speed up because of the discovery of electricity. Nadali ni Kwan ang gasoline, then mga chemical fertilizers, which is very helpful for our industry like the farmers. So upon industry move, progress. Then in IR 3.0, transition to digital technology. Nadali ang computers, internet, mobile phones. Like it is very helpful, especially sa atong pag-communicate. Sa atong communication it makes it easier. Like for example, also sa TV, sa una magamit ang antenna, but now no need na kahit na electricity na, like for example, i-connect ka sa mobile data at pwede na ka makabrowse dito sa laptop or cellphone, pwede na ka mag-laptop o movies. And in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, it is interconnected systems, whether they are AI, robots, or self-driving cars. Technologies of Industrial Revolution 4.0 is genetic engineering, IoT, Internet of Things, miniaturized sensors, and global digital connectivity allows access to information anytime and anywhere. Impact on routine jobs replaced by machines. So in this technology of Industrial Revolution 4.0, it is very helpful to can evolve under an Internet of Things like what I've said earlier sa education. It must stay relevant kaya ang trend na karon sa education is the technology. Technologies of IR 4.0 or Industrial Revolution 4.0. Nadali ang Internet of Things or IoT, interconnected devices that collect and share data. For example, cell phone, tablets, laptop, and next is artificial intelligence or AI, machines that think, learn, and decide. Like for example, sa akong research, kung natin mga dili nagawa ako, i-search sa AI, then mo-generate ang siya of answers. Like next is the robotics, autonomous machines performing complex tasks. And next is the self-driving cars, AI-driven vehicles replacing traditional drivers. So ang atong way of traditional karon sa makaadto sa lain lugar is naman dyan mag-drive karon kaya pwede na sa selfless na cars na ngunit na siya i-monitor sa tao. Kanang ano gid siya, internet na gid ang monitor. Then next is the 3D printing, custom manufacturing on-demand production. And next is the genetic engineering or CRISPR and gene editing for health and disease prevention. So the main part is kanang i-evolve na siya ang mga gene editing for health and disease prevention. Makaprevent na tao like na disease na makuan tungod sa Internet of Things. Sunod is miniaturized sensors, high precision for healthcare and manufacturing. So, in these key technologies of IR revolution, na evolve na dyan ang mga machines like makadetect of mga disease or mga sickness na makaayo. Like, unlike before na sa 1.0 na ang magsalig na kita sa tambal sa mga gamot-gamot like sa mga dahon-dahon, but now, high precision for healthcare and manufacturing are evolved na dyan. Education 4.0 responding to IR 4.0 changes. Education 4.0 adapts to IR 4.0's impact. Schools must evolve to stay relevant, and 80% of past skills are automated by machines. Then 65% of students will work in unknown jobs. 49% of current jobs can be replaced by machines, and education should focus on skills machines can't replace. School must teach adaptability, creativity, and critical thinking. So overall, in this industrial revolution, government are expected to have progress because of the invention of many machines because of the help of the science and technology. So the government must take number progress on account industry with the help of the Internet of Things.
The skills demanded by Industrial Revolution 4.0 is complex problem solving and critical thinking, creativity, people management and coordinating with others, emotional intelligence, judgment and decision making, service orientation, negotiation and cognitive flexibility. Key elements of Education 4.0 focus on development of skills for success in Industrial Revolution 4.0, develop analytical thinking and adaptability in students, integrate skills to welcome machines and AI tools. AI enhances creativity but doesn't replace human creativity. Teach students to use AI powers and knowledge. Students must adapt to new skills and roles continuously, balance AI-driven tasks with human creativity and empathy. Teaching methods and strategies for Education 4.0 is use problem-based learning and project-based learning. Incorporate service learning, internship, and real-world immersion. Adopt flexible teaching methods to meet diverse learning needs. Implement flipped classroom, learn outside and apply outside. Combine face-to-face instruction with online learning. Focus on authentic assessment beyond paper and pencil tests. Assess knowledge, skills, and values through real-world tasks.
Thank you for watching, and we hope that you learned something from this video.
Goodbye.
And have a good day.